If you want to get a quick $50 added to your Cash App balance right now, make sure to watch till the end of today's video. And without wasting any of your time, I'm going to already go ahead and get on the Cash App app on my phone and show you guys exactly how to do this method, because anybody can do this method as long as you have a active TikTok Shop account. And the best part is that you guys can actually repeat this method as much as you want and make nearly infinite money. So first off, if you guys don't already have a Cash App account, what I'd recommend doing is I'd recommend clicking the link in the description and signing up for Cash App. But if you guys already have a Cash App account, what you can do is you can go to the top right and scroll the way down to where it says referral code. If it does not say referral code right here, what you guys are going to have to do is that you're going to have to create a second Cash App account. You can do this. You will not get banned for doing this, and there's literally no downside. So if you guys want to lose out on free money, don't do this. And then once you guys do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to enter in this exact referral code listed just like this. Make sure you guys don't miss out on any of the letters, because if you do, the method will not work. The referral code is going to be TSQQV7H. If that code doesn't work, go ahead and check back in the description, or you guys can actually just copy and paste the code from this video. Again, that's going to be in the description box right there. Super easy to go ahead and copy paste. And then all you have to do is you're just going to have to click enter. After that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you have a linked bank or a debit card or a credit card. It does not matter. And then after that, you're going to want to go ahead and hit this cash button right here in the middle, hit $5, and then pay someone in your contacts. It doesn't matter who. You could pay me, you could pay my Cash App. I'll go ahead and refund you. And then what's going to happen immediately after that is that you're going to get a free $10 added to your balance. So as you guys can see, all of these people right here went ahead and made themselves a free 10 bucks. So Elijah right here made themselves a free 10 bucks by using this exact method. For full transparency, I will also be getting $10, but this is going to come at literally no cost to you guys, meaning that you would have to be pretty silly to say no to absolutely free money. The money is going to show up right here in your cash balance like this, which then you can just hit withdrawal, and then go ahead and click the standard by Thursday, and then that will be withdrawn to whichever bank you attach your Cash App account to. It's super easy to do this, and you guys are literally saying no to absolutely free money if you don't. But if you guys want to make some even more free money while you're at it, what I would recommend doing is I would recommend going to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and downloading Apple. Once you guys download Adapole, the first thing you're going to want to do before you do literally anything else is you're going to go to my profile right here. You're going to want to go to where it says enter invite code and then enter in this exact code. The code you guys are going to want to enter is going to be JCCGC, again, JCCGC, or you could just sign up to Adapole with the link in the description. Once you guys do that, you will get a free 50 cents added to your Adapole balance for literally doing nothing. Plus, you can cash out that money into either your PayPal account or a Revolut account, or you could go ahead and put it into a gift card balance. You guys could literally make $30 an hour with the Adapole app, provided if you just went ahead here and filled out some of these super easy surveys. I'm going to go ahead and fill out one of these surveys just to show you guys how easy it is to fill these out. If I go ahead and hit this survey right here, it says, are you the primary decision maker for your household for grocery purchases? Yes, I am, because I'm the only person who lives in my house. Which of the following is not an animal? So this is what's called a speed trap. If you guys just get on the surveys and you just start spam pressing answers, you're going to run into a speed trap like this, and obviously you might select the wrong answer. So you might select monkey, which is an animal. And if you guys do that, you would get banned pretty much instantly from Adapole. So make sure you guys are actually paying attention to the surveys and you're actually answering the correct question. So I'm going to go ahead and hit desk because that is the right answer. And the household, which of the following things are you partially responsible about? Internet, television, banking, grocery shopping, automotive, all. I'm responsible for all of it. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Please choose which department/products you have influence or decision making regarding spending or purchasing. Again, everything. Because I am a one-man show and I live in a house by myself. Which is the highest level of education you completed? I have my bachelor's. Which is the primary organization you work at? I am in executive leadership. And then just like that, guys, I made some entirely free money from Adapole. Plus, you guys could literally make almost $30 an hour, which is more than the minimum wage in most countries, if you went ahead and got on Adapole today and started filling out some of these easy surveys. The next app I would recommend downloading is both available on the Google Play and the Apple App Store. It is going to be Eureka. If you guys sign up to Eureka with the link in the description, you will literally get a free $1 survey for doing literally nothing. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out before you do anything else so you don't miss out on completely free money. On top of that, you guys can cash out into either a virtual Visa card, you could cash out into a PayPal account, or you could do a bank transfer, meaning with the bank transfer, you could actually take that money and put that into your CashApp account using the routing numbers and the account numbers. But the real way to make money with Eureka is not just by signing up with the link in the description and getting a free $1 survey that'll literally take you 30 seconds to fill out. The real way is by combining these surveys from Eureka with Adipole. So as you guys can see right here, you would make $1.50 for like 10 minutes of work, which is probably realistically more like 5, meaning that you would make $30 an hour just by going ahead and filling out surveys right here on Eureka, meaning that you would literally make more than most minimum wage jobs. Plus, if you scroll down right here, there is games and offers that you guys can go ahead and play to make even more money from Eureka. Now, if you guys are tired of being broke and you want to become a millionaire literally this year, what I would recommend doing is I would recommend going to the first link in the description, which is going to be F University. F University is my exclusive paid program where we will literally teach you how to go from $1 to $1,000, $1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, and then finally 100,000 to $1 million. We have methods that I personally have used myself, as well as I have personally educated people on how to do. Like my boy Simon, that literally, from taking the TikTok shop course right here, he literally made $20,000 his first month doing that. Plus, if you guys don't even want to buy F University, I don't even care about the money. I'm not interested in making money from this. What I'm interested in is I'm interested in seeing people succeed. So if you guys watch this video right here, it will literally teach you how to get F University for completely free forever. Again, I don't care about money. It is not the money I'm interested in making from this. Instead, it is my interest in seeing every single one of you succeed. The price of F University is going to be doubling in the next couple weeks because I want to make sure that only real people who are actually serious about making money are in here. So if you guys are serious about it, make sure to check it out. It's going to be the first link in the description. And with that being said, that's the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, click on this one right here. Thanks for watching. Bye.